competition held in the Kashmir, University of Kashmir. So what we say about Kashmir? इसके नाम में ही खूबसूरती है. कश्मीर बहुत खूबसूरत और एक्चुअली अभी समर चल रहा है फिर भी यहाँ इतनी ठंडी है कि क्या बताऊँ आपको. सो पावर लिफ्टिंग का कंपटीशन चालू है और मैं एक पावर लिफ्टर हूँ. सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है. मैनेजमेंट और यहाँ के स्टाफ बहुत अच्छे से कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट के साथ. एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स एंड पावर लिफ्टर्स.
GDC अनंतनाग से आई हूँ और ये मेरे कोच है. हम यहाँ पे आज पावर लिफ्टिंग ये कंपटीशन खेलने आए हैं. यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छी है.
मेरा नाम अनुश्री है. मैं काशी महात्मा गांधी काशी विद्यापीठ वाराणसी से हूँ. मुझे यहाँ आके तो बहुत खुशी हुई. व्यू बहुत अच्छा है. श्रीनगर बहुत अच्छा है. यूनिवर्सिटी दोनों को कंपेयर नहीं किया जा सकता क्योंकि वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग अच्छी है, ये अपने अकॉर्डिंग अच्छी है.
Good. Down. Good lift. Down. Good lift.
We have chosen the University of Kashmir for this event because from so many years this tournament is not organized by this region. Hence the university is chosen for this championship. And since the university has the very good infrastructure, so we thought that we can have this competition here in a very fruitful manner. And I have seen from yesterday, it's going on very smoothly. And more than 160 universities are participating on, more than 1,000 athletes are there. I hope this tournament will go in a very smooth manner. Definitely, Kashmir is a very good place, and so everybody is excited to be here, and the arrangement is very good, and people are enjoying here, the sightseeing and all Kashmir valleys.
So we are conducting this tournament under the aegis of AIU, All India Association of Indian Universities. So this was an assignment given to us to host this All India Inter-University Powerlifting. So we tried our best to organize this inter-university in a very fair manner. We hired officials, technical officials from all over India, from railway, from J&K police, from sports association and different clubs. They are technically sound with the only intention that they conducted this tournament in a very fair manner. So this was our prime motive, and second motive was to bring the sports culture in J&K, especially in our University of Kashmir. So we took this challenge that we will organize such events like powerlifting where the peoples from from all the states, they are participating on this game. So one thing I would like to share with you, that the University Directorate is very committed to organize such events, especially our administrations, Vice Chancellor Professor Neelafar Khan, then the whole Vice Chancellor Secretariat, Registrar, Professor Nasir Iqbal, then all other administrative heads, they are very much interested to organize such events, and in future we are going to organize more events to boost sports culture in our university and in our state. So I request all the participants, especially the young budding collegiate students, male and females, to come and play. We are providing each and every facility, whatever we have, for your growth and development in the field of sports.
I think this was a truly pluralistic national event that I have ever witnessed in my entire life. So it was certainly a historic event for the University of Kashmir to have more than 206 universities coming to one platform and contest for the trophy and the gold medals. And one of the very striking things that I liked about this event is that the gold medalists from this national event will also get jobs. They have reservation in the railway board, they have reservation in the state police and many other central government jobs. This is something historic for the University of Kashmir, and I would pray and wish that all of us work together to make University of Kashmir more visible and promote these games. Weightlifting was not a very popular game in Jammu and Kashmir, and I am personally very powerlifting was never a very popular game in Jammu and Kashmir. It is my firm belief that with this event, this historic event, powerlifting will be a very, very popular sport in the state of Jammu and Kashmir henceforth. my personal gratitude to each one of you for organizing such a commendable event. Sport is one of the most important curriculum for maintaining the health status of the persons. So if people healthy, then nation healthy. So we need this is a kind of the environment that has been provided by the university as well as this AIU. So my kids were yesterday here in the evenings. So people are basically now get a kind of the inspirations that this powerlifting could also be one of the potential the support category where we can excel in the field in future as well. So I, on behalf of my staff and securities, I this if anything we cannot be provided, we are highly this. Apologize for that, but we tried our best to provide a conducive environment for the participants. So I thanks and best of luck in future as well. Thank you. This event today reminded me of my school days in the boarding school when we used to have All India JNV track and field events. So I certainly could find myself among you as well, but though not competing, I'm an old warhorse now. But certainly seeing you so young, so bright and upcoming, I presume and I understand that the future of this country with respect to the sports is quite bright. अक्सर व बेशतर कहा जाता है कि मुश्किलें वही लड़ते हैं दोज हु हैड ए स्पाइन. तो ये काम के लिए तो सबसे ज़्यादा मजबूत स्पाइन चाहिए. तो यू हैव गॉट ए स्पाइन फॉर ऑल द हार्ड वर्क, फॉर ऑल द गुड थिंग्स दैट हैव टू कम योर वे. आई हैड रेड अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइन कि यूनिवर्सिटियों में पढ़ाई लिखाई तो होती ही रहती है, लेकिन निदा फाजली साहब एक बड़े मशहूर शायर हैं. उन्होंने खूबसूरत अल्फाज कहे हैं कि धूप में निकलो, घटाओं में नहा कर देखो, ज़िंदगी क्या है किताबों को हटा कर देखो. तजुर्बात का सिलसिला, तकलीफ़ात का सिलसिला, चोटें वो सारी यहीं ठीक होती हैं. हमारे उस्ताद एकेडमीज़ में कहते थे कि ग्राउंड की चोटें ग्राउंड पे ही ठीक होती हैं. तो वी हैव सीन इट, वी हैव लिव्ड इट. I certainly would congratulate every member of this university, every organizing party member, those who have been involved in organizing such events. I wish all the good luck to the athletes who have won, and I wish more than luck and a better encouragement to all those who have lost. This is not the end. This is the start of your journey. Thank you so much. Best of luck.
As registrar at the university, I should be the most happiest person because first time we are witnessing such a huge event. I was just looking at the board. It is not only the first ever event in the University of Kashmir, but this is the first ever in North India. So we have seen for the last 4 days, the university is in academic in addition to our teaching and research. That is the primary goal. But in addition to that, the university is very busy in the extracurricular activities. Like we are having the sports festival in parallel, we are having one of the exhibition on behalf of the government of India. But at the same time, since I have been closely watching this event for the last 3 days, I must congratulate Professor Dr. Surjit and his all the team members. You have done such a wonderful job. I could see your WhatsApps coming around at 12 during night, and then the ground was even busy at that time during the night and very early in the morning. I see first time. I think I should say it that every individual, every member of the sports department has worked very hard, and with a team spirit, and that is the spirit that we should carry forward. So I congratulate everyone, every individual who has been carrying forward in this event.
Our coming here was not scheduled, but even then, our interest in this lifting championship has increased so much that I keep on calling my special secretary Zari Saab in the evening. Is everything going on smoothly and so on. Before that, my registrar, the whole administration, chief proctor, everyone, we were all busy in monitoring and then organizing this event in different ways. For example, as someone said that we had to organize, we have to see the venues. Venue, of course, earlier it was supposed to be Bakshi Stadium. We could not get it. We organized it here. We had to send Adil and some people more for some, purchases to Punjab, which were done in a very, urgency manner. And then again, the accommodation. For me, it was, very great worry to see where I could accommodate the girls, those who were coming across the country, and for that we had kept a very safe venue, keeping in view that they are girls traveling from all over the country. For boys, we had enough space in the university itself where we accommodated them, and for each and every minute details, we used to call them, every day to see and monitor what is happening over there. To be honest, for me, I thought, it's powerlifting championship will not be that, difficult program. But I think it's the most difficult sports, activity to organize. This I have realized it's the most difficult sports activity to organize than, cricket, then hockey, then football. I thought it's very easy, आसान काम है, but now I know it's a very difficult and a very difficult activity itself. I was watching girls yesterday, who perform. Hats off to everyone, hats off to every team, from all over the country who participated. Coming all the way, traveling itself is very laborious. Traveling all the way to this particular venue, it's itself a great, effort to come here. And once again, I congratulate all the teams who came here to University of Kashmir for participation, and especially to those girls and boys who will go with medals. Our good wishes for them in their future endeavors, and we look forward to have more collaborations with the universities who came here, not only in sports, in research, in academics, in other activities.